What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Yes, this is my new YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, and methods and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle reaction videos, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on all my videos. Once you click the title on all my videos, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Now listen, it's a lot of people out there still getting scammed by these fake King Hussle pages. Y'all gotta be more aware, y'all gotta be more smart. My Instagram page is not no King Hussle on YouTube. So if y'all talk to any King Hussle on YouTube, Instagram page, that's not me. Second, I'm not gonna write you. I'm not gonna say, yo, what's up? You looking to do some business? You trying to buy this, try to buy that? No, I'm not gonna write you or DM you first. So if any King Hussle page just randomly starts following you and randomly starts writing you, that's not me. Third, if any King Hussle IG page has more followers, people that they're following that are following them, that's a red flag. So they got 200 people following them, and they following 500 people. That should be a red flag right there. I don't get down like that. Third, any of y'all talking to any King Hussle or Hussle Nation telegrams out there, that's not me. You can find my Telegram link in the description and in my community and my posts where I post all my posts at. Another one, it's a Telegram King Hussle X1 on YouTube. It's a YouTube channel. Commenting under all my comments. So if you comment, they commented under yours, getting you to come tap in with them or come to their Telegram and get scammed. It's spelled like T-E, this tail is spelled weird. So anytime you see a Telegram King Hussle X1 with the Telegram spelled weird or anything commenting under the comments on YouTube, your comment, the response to you, that's not me. Pay more attention. If that King Hussle name ain't highlighted or bubbled, that's not me. That's not coming from the official King Hussle. I'm not gonna write you saying tap in. If you write me on my comments, I'm gonna respond to your comment. And I'm gonna tell you that my links are in the bio or anything like that. So please, and last, just get a FaceTime verification call or video before y'all send y'all money to these people. That's about the smartest thing that you can do. Like before, let me get a FaceTime call before I send my money to this guy, just to make sure, just to be on the safe side. Y'all just be so quick to send y'all money to anybody, then get mad. And it's really your fault because you didn't do your research. You didn't do what you were supposed to do. And then y'all write me like I did it. Like, come on now, be more smart, be more aware. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today I'm gonna show you how to tell you how to make a quick $10,000. It's a lot of people out there that wanna make a quick $10,000. A lot of people out there that wanna learn how to make money. There's a lot of people that wanna learn new hustles and new ways to make money. And this way might work for you and this way might not work for you. It might be in you and it might not be in you. And some people might got a hustle bone and some people might not have a hustle bone. Some people might be risk takers and some people might not be risk takers. And what I'm about to tell you, I'm gonna tell you right now offhand. It 100% could possibly work, but it 100% can not work. And what I mean by that is you can make a lot of money and you can lose a lot of money. It's just all about how you play it and all about how you know what I'm saying, you go about it. So what I'm about to tell you is all educational and entertainment purposes only. So it's up to you if you want to go try it, want to go do it, and want to make you $10,000 or try to, do what I tell you to do or do what I told you I did. Because I did it a lot of times and I just did it. So, and I do it a lot. And it's like it's a science. Everything is a science. So let's get into it. Before, let me get a little sip. So everybody know life is a gamble. Everything in life is a gamble. You got to take chances, right? And they got these things called casinos. And at these casinos, you can play different type of games that, that can win you money. You can lose money, you can win money, right? And when it boils down to it, everything is a science. Once you learn the science for anything in life, you'll be successful in it. From YouTubing, from doing music, from gambling, to learning credit, to making money. Point blank period. It's a science. Learn the science, you'll be good at it, right? So boom. I used to sneak into the casino with a fake ID when I was like 18, 19. Just, you know, cause my buddy, he was always a year older than me, so he used to get in there when he was 21 and I was 20, so I used to go in there with him, blah, blah, blah. And he used to date this Asian woman, and their family played roulette, and they put him on roulette, so he put me on roulette. So basically, roulette is a game. Some of you might know it, some of you might not know it. It's a game where it's 35 numbers on this little spinning thing with the ball. Wherever the ball drops, that's the number on the number, and then that's what you win. So, and let you guys know, like, this is real. Like, y'all see the dice, like, the roulette table, like, this how real it is. Like, I got the roulette table tattooed on me because this how much money and how real this hustle is. Life is a gamble, this the gamble. Like, this really made me a lot of money. Like, I'm not even just talking. I wouldn't got this roulette table on me if it wasn't so real. Like, this is a whole roulette table right there, right? Whole roulette table, boom. A lot of y'all really never really seen that, so boom. It's 35 numbers. You spin the wheel, whatever the ball drops, on whatever number the ball drops on, and you got money on that, you win, right? Boom, basically, simplified as that, right? Okay. And then you can play outside the board. And outside the board is, you can play the first 12, the second 12, and the third 12. So basically, any numbers from 1 to 12, that's the first 12, and you play that, you win double. So you play $100, you'll win $200. You play the third 12 from 13 to whatever, 24 or something like that, 25 or whatever, boom. And then it's the last 12 numbers. So whatever you play on, you win. So you play in the middle of the board, you play $100, you'll win $200. If you play $200, you'll win $400. You get what I'm saying? So boom, you're gonna win double. So you play $500, you'll win $1,000, right? So boom. Then you got the bottom is the first row, second row, third row. So you play that first row, second row, third row. We put money on them. And then you got, over here you got 19 through 36, and you got 1 through 18. And then at the top you got 0 and 00, them green, right? And then you got black and you got red that you can play. So these are all the things that you can play outside the board. So if you don't want to play numbers, you can play outside the board and still win you some numbers, some money. So if you play 19 through 36, black or red, or 1 through 18, those you just win. So you win what you play. So if you play 500, you win 500. You play 200, you win 200. Point blank period. Just like, and then it's 00 and it's 0. So them just like the numbers though. We put money on the numbers. You might play $20 on a number. You might play $10 on a number. You might play $50 on a number. It all depends on what you got going on. So boom. So what I used to do is I used to study the boards, like on some real life gambling stuff. Like, I study the boards. And what I used to realize is, okay, some nights they use bigger balls, some nights they use smaller balls. Some nights, certain dealers got certain techniques, certain tables be hot, certain tables be cold, blase. So I started paying attention, like, okay, to better my odds of winning money, let me play the odds with these tables, with this game. So let me start paying attention to what's commonly hitting, what's commonly winning. So I start paying attention, like, okay, the common numbers that's hidden is mainly the numbers in the middle of the board. Because on the spinning wheel, the numbers is like, it ain't 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, it's spread out, so it might be 1, 3, 13. Like, the numbers is just different. It ain't no row. So I'm like, okay, the numbers is hidden mainly always hit in the middle of the board, right? Okay. And then if the table get hot, it start hitting all the high numbers. So what I used to do is, how I first started is, I was like, all right, I'm gonna put 100 on 19 through 36. And then I let the ball, and what I used to do is, I'll wait till they spin the wheel, and then I put my money down, like my little own technique or whatever. So like, it's like a last minute decision, like, all right, boom, that's my last decision, I can't turn back, because when you indecisive, you get to change and stuff, and you might change some stuff off a number that could have hit, but you took it off of it, so then you win. So I'm like, all right, you know what, I'm gonna just do everything at the last minute, so whatever my decision is, that's my decision, and I'm gonna win a lot of money like that. So boom. I put 100 on 19 through 36, boom. And it used to always like hit high numbers. So one time I went in there and Okay, I put 100 on 19 through 36. No, actually, I'm gonna get down to the nitty gritty. I started with $50, $60, right? I got $60. I got 2 green chips, which is two $25 chips, and I got 2 red chips, which is two $5 chips. So that's $60. Boom. I took that $60 and I put it on 19 through 36, and I won. And I had $120. Boom, won another $60. So that's 120. I played that whole $120 and I put it on 19 through 36 again. They hit a number on 19 through 36 again. I won 240. I just kept doubling that. So then I put that 240 on 19 through 36 again. Boom. It hit another high number. So I just turned that $60 into what's that? What was that like? 480 or something like that, $500 roughly, right? So, cause I had another 10, I just said, let me get $10 chips. So I had like roughly $500, right? Boom. So I said, forget it. I waited to spin. Cause I said, all right, let me just wait to spin. Cause I had that feeling like it ain't finna hit a high number. Boom, it didn't hit a high number. And I'm looking at the other table too, see what numbers is hitting over there. Cause what I used to do is I used to like run from board to board. Like if I see that table high over there and it's hitting high numbers, I take this that I just did over there and they got the ball already rolling. Cause I want to keep winning money. I want to keep the ball rolling. So let's say they paying out over here, but she just spent the ball over there, and I see it's a high number. I take my money from over here and I run over there and I put my money down, boom, and win like that real quick. And then I come back and play like that, like I was working. So boom, I had turned that $600 into $500. I mean, that's $60 to $500 in like 3 spins, boom. So now I got $500, boom. I took that $500, waited to spin, boom, played the $500 again, boom, hit 19, a number higher than 19, boom. So now I got $1,000 that I just made off $60. Just off reading the board and taking them little, not playing, because when you play them numbers, you can put $1 here, $50, $20 ain't enough money to just, you know what I'm saying, spread your money out on the board. You gotta play like $100 or $200 inside the board, them numbers to really, you know what I'm saying, do some justice. So I said, you know what, I ain't got time to be doing all that. I'm just gonna play it. Instead of just put my money on these numbers, I'm gonna just play this row of numbers. And it worked best for me. So boom, $500, boom, made that $1,000. So I'm like, ooh, all right, I made $1,000 off $60. So I'm like, let me make it make sense. So let me make a couple more. Let me see if I can make a couple more $100, right? So boom, I get off that table because I'm like, all right, I made $1,000 real quick off $60. So I'm like, all right, let me go to the table over here that I've been peeping out. So boom. I ain't finna play my whole $500. I'm like, you know what? Let me play $200 just to test the waters out. But instead of playing 19 through 36, I'm gonna play the middle of the board. So it's 13 through whatever. I forgot what number the middle number was, like 25 or something like that, or 26 or something like that. So boom. Put my 200 down, boom, middle board, boom, it hit, boom, what was it, 23 or something like that, boom. I just won $400. So now I got $1,400. So that just made me $1,000. And it took no less than 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I always used to go in there real fast and always hit. Like, I literally would go into the casino and I'd be in there for 30 minutes and made $1,000 already, literally. And I used to do that so many times. I literally made like $30,000, $40,000 just doing that off that little method. Just playing them little hundreds, keep winning here and there. Cause if I lose 200, cause I ain't lost too now. I ain't saying every time I just made money, but I played the game smart enough so if I did lose, I lose profit. Instead of losing money because in the beginning stages, I used to go in there and lose all my money for sure. Because I used to be so thirsty, like that first time it give you a adrenaline rush, like, ooh, I just made $1,400, boom, or $1,000, boom, I'm gonna go cash out and I'm gonna keep 400 chips and I'm gonna keep gambling. Because it had been times that I done did that and made another $2,000, $3,000 and walk up out of there with like $4,000 or $5,000. Like, I didn't did that fast. And then, but I also was in that casino because I used to have a method. Like, it was days I went down there and nights I went down there. Because, like, when the table, like, crowded, that's when I used to feel like you win the most money. Because, and then people be missing, like, they chips, and you can win, take people, like, it's times, like, it'd be so many people on the table that people forget they even play because they be drunk, too, and they won't take their chips, and won't nobody take them. So I take them, like, that's an extra couple $100 for me. Forget it. Like, they ain't taking. It's a lot of things. It be cracking in the casinos. Like, you go to a casino, you can have some fun and win you some money if you do it the right way. So anybody out there looking to win $10,000, get $10,000 fast, try that hustle, try that game. You got any questions, hit me up, and I promise you, I'm going to guide you and teach you how to play that roulette game the right way. As long as you, however old you got to be to get in the casino. I forgot how old, 21 to get in the casino? I got you. So it's your boy King Hussle. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my real King Hussle supporters. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping these videos. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep helping y'all with these loans, credit cards, lines of credit. Y'all motivate me to keep helping y'all with y'all credit from personal to business. Y'all motivate me to motivate y'all to make money and just live life the right way to how y'all want to live and just make millions, because it's possible. Anybody out there can make millions. It don't matter. You can do it. You just got to put some effort and time into it, and I'm gonna help you do that. I'm gonna motivate you. I'm gonna do all that. So make sure you subscribe to all my YouTube channels. Y'all know what them is: King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle reaction videos, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, turn motivation into millions. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms: King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. I don't got no King Hussle backup page, so if you talking to a King Hussle backup page, that's not me. My backup page link is in the bio, and it's the real King Hussle X1M. 1,300 followers on there. It's the links. If the link ain't in the bio, that ain't me. So if y'all talking to a King Hussle page and my links ain't in the bio, that ain't me. Point blank. Period. Boom. I'm still looking for content creators. I'm still looking for models. I'm still looking for rappers. I'm still looking for actors. I'm still looking for producers. I'm still looking for cameramen. So you got any talent, you got some talent behind that camera. You got some good editing skills, preferably in the Houston, Texas area. But if you're any surrounding area, any state, you got some talents you want to tap in with me. You a model, you want to tap in, you want to get you some money, you want to start making money off your looks, you want to start making money off you shaking your hiney instead of doing it for free. You want to make some money, tap in with me. Any content creators on YouTube, you got at least 500 subscribers, 2,000 watch time hours. You want to start making some real money on YouTube, tap in with me. You a rapper, you got some music, some good music, and you've been promoting yourself, you've been investing in yourself, tap in with me. You ain't never invested in yourself, I'm not going to invest in you. So take that in consideration. Let's win. Hit me up on my social media platforms. Make sure y'all follow me. And y'all know how I get down at the end of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.